How to add Google search bar to home screen. So basically, if you want to add the Google search bar to your home screen, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just make sure that you have the Google app as well as the Google Chrome app. So any of these you can have, and all you have to do is just long press on an empty space on your home screen on your Android device, and from there you have to simply go to the option called Widgets. From Widgets you have to simply look for the option of Chrome. So you can add a search widget from Chrome, you can see right here, and you can just add them to your home screen, or you could add a search widget from your Google browser as well. So right here you can see, and here you can see a Google search bar. I can just have that. So either of these will work. The only difference is that when you add the widget from your Chrome, it will open up in Chrome browser. When you add the widget from your Google, it will open up in the Google browser, which is normally a search engine, whereas Chrome is a browser. So this is a simple way on how you can add Google search bar to home screen. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.